To the channel. So for today's video we're gonna have these Berk test pipe install on the 350Z. We're gonna get a little before and after test, but yeah, let's get into it.
All right, so for the Berk test pipe install, what you're gonna do is break loose these two right here. They're already soaked in lubricant, so it'll be easier since it's rusted. And then moving down, there's a bolt right there. There's one on the back side. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's off to the right. Then there's one right here. All of these are soaked in WD-40. So there's also this brace right here that connects these two exhaust pieces. So you can break that loose and we'll see how that goes. Right there as well for the transmission. It bolts to the transmission. Here. And that's it. Alright, so these two right here, this one and this one, you can actually reach from the bottom side. But for this side, this control arm is kind of in the way. So you can use a wrench, a ratcheting wrench, and just reach from the back side right here. It's mini turns for this, but you can get it done. All right, so to get this one's a little bit of a pain. You're gonna have to get a lot of extensions, and it attaches just right there. So this is for driver side. We use the breaker bar to break it loose, and then the ratchet just to back it out. Passenger side is literally the same thing. You got a little more space on this side. You just reach down through there. You can see it just slightly. So lots of extensions. And then driver side, you just gotta remove the intake tubing and push it out of the side. Other than that, the other two you can reach from the bottom. Pretty much to finish off the install, you gotta get these sensors secured. So it attaches to the test pipe, and then there's a little bracket right here, just so these wires don't snag anywhere. So same on both sides. And obviously you got to tighten these down right here where it connects to the Y pipe. When you're doing this install, it's good to kind of have a friend with you to hold on to the one side while you tighten the nut down. And then again, I think I mentioned earlier, this one you're gonna have to access from the top with a lot of extensions, and then these two you can actually reach from the bottom of the car, so it's not too bad. Driver's side is a little more difficult because you do have a little less space. But again, this top one right here, just reach through from the top of the engine bay. These two you can just get through by hand, and there's enough space right here. And then reattach your intake tubing, and then it's done. That's it. This brace right here just holds the OEM exhaust, so it's not needed, but we just kept it secure on the transmission right here. Yeah, this part would hold on to the cat. Yeah. All right, and that's all. All right, bro, whenever you're ready.
Yep.
Yeah.